Tuangazie ligi ya daraja la pili ya NSL ambayo imepata wamepigwa jeki zaidi na pale kampuni ya mchezo wa kamari. Nazungumzia Mozzart Bet ambao wamewekeza milioni 6 kwa vilabu vitatu, 3KFC Migori Youth na pale Kisumu All Stars. Haya yote ni kwa ajili tu ya kuwapa motisha wachezaji wakati msimu wa ligi kuu ya soka daraja la pili NSL unarindima.
Moment you interact with the budgets of these teams, you realize what this support means. It is a great blessing. The other day, when there was a meeting between the NSL teams, these were the issues they are raising. So you are an answered prayer, you are right on time, and we are very proud. From our end as Leagues and Competitions Committee, we pledge a smooth running of the league.
All Stars will be committed, innovative partner. We will work tirelessly to ensure that the sponsorship delivers tangible results and leaves a lasting legacy for both the club and the community we represent.
On behalf of 3K Football Club, I stand here with immense pride and gratitude as we unveil Mozzart Bet as our official sponsor in the season 2025-26. Today marks not just the beginning of a new chapter of our club, but also our renewed commitment to dreams and aspiration of the young youths in our county.
So we've struggled throughout the years, and when this kind of opportunity is granted to us, we cannot struggle again.
To the clubs, this is a massive challenge. With this, you must now institute and put in place fiscal discipline within your clubs. And I want to give you some assurance, it is only the beginning. We are going to do more. So governance becomes very important at the club level. Make sure that whatever you do, you are accountable whenever the resources come, that you are transparent in how you do your things, and that you also have integrity in how we run the game.
The landmark deal does not only end, there is an additional 1 million Kenya shillings to ensure the three teams step onto the pitch with pride. Is the 3 brand new jerseys, home, away, and third kit. I believe that when a team looks professional, it plays with confidence and communities rally behind it. This brings the total amount that will be pumping into the NSL through the 3 teams to 18 million Kenya shillings, a figure rarely witnessed in the Kenyan second tier.
Swali la mitandao nilikuwa nimekuuliza wewe kama shabiki mkubwa wa